it. That's what the shot
Chipped, will it get to extra cover? Yes, it does. Brilliant from Boom Boom.
So here we go. First ball. Bottom! Straight away, Mohammad Amir has done the business. Pakistan are off to the perfect start as McIntosh bowled by an outstanding Yorker.
Outside edge and it's gone. Great delivery, mind you. Some movement off the pitch, and young man Mohammad Amir will remember this wicket for a long, long time.
Luckily, just skimmed the back of the helmet and did its job.
Pulling in the air. This isn't controlled at all. The man's coming in. Will he get it? Oh, it's catch. But oh, well taken. What a catch. Never easy that.
Well, he's got him. Straight through him. Little, perhaps an inside edge and off the pad, but Mohammad Amir has struck in the first innings. He struck with his first ball. It's taken him 4 balls this time, but Martin Guptill is on his way.
Gone. Big, big hack across the line from Smith. Amir continues to impress.
Oh, this time Simon Towful says yes, please. It was full, it was straight. Looked like to me, Wakar Yunus, that it was just cannoning straight into middle stump.
Edge. Oh, they've got him. He's better than one that swung out. He's followed it up with one that went across him. What a good bowler this young man is. He is a heck of a talent. Got him. Big edge there, and Peter Fulton is on his way back round the wicket. Has been the approach. Edge. Oh, they've caught one. Ross Taylor's gone for 97. Oh, dear me.
Round the wicket, the pull shot's on again. The man's placed beautifully. And Amir takes the wicket of the Aussie skipper. Firing in. Oh, he's angled it in. He's been given.
Got him, fell for it. Well, that's a surprise. Clark finally lost patience to the wide delivery, got a genuine nick through. He's caught behind, and it's 4 for 143.
Defended when he's had to. Got him with pace. Well bowled, what a beauty! The first 5-wicket haul in Test match cricket for a sparkling young talent. Oh, use your peel. I'm gone. Look full, it looks straight.
In this short morning session. Big shout this time, but Ian Gould says no straight away.
Once it hits those pads, you're going to get appeals. It's just a matter of what the ball is.